Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a diet plan that can help you shed those extra pounds quickly. It's called the Size Zero Diet Plan. This is a detox plan that kickstarts fat burning in your body, leading to visible weight loss. Let's dive in and see what you will be eating to achieve that size zero goal. Start your day with a glass of water, but make it special by adding half a lemon. You can also mix some honey for an extra boost. This drink helps flush out toxins and kickstarts your metabolism. If you don't like lemon water, you may try cumin water instead. Simply soak cumin seeds overnight, strain in the morning, and drink up. It's just an effective for boosting metabolism. For breakfast, choose a high protein meal. Protein is crucial to keep you feeling full and to meet your daily requirements. You may have banana peanut smoothie with chia seeds. Blend all the ingredients well and have it. If smoothie isn't your thing, you can opt for 3 boiled egg whites with a cup of green tea. These options are rich in protein, ensuring you stay full longer, while the green tea boosts your antioxidants level. Now, mid morning snack. This is the time between breakfast and lunch. Go for a detoxifying fruit. Just remember no added sweeteners. Alternatively, you can have a plain chopped cucumber for a refreshing and hydrating snack that will also curb your hunger. Now, lunch. Lunch is a crucial meal in the size zero diet plan. You can enjoy a curd raita mixed with fruits like pomegranate and veggies like cucumber and carrot. This meal is probiotic, calcium rich, and will give your skin a natural glow. If raita isn't for you, blend into a smoothie with curd or milk and add your favorite food. For added fiber, soak some chia seeds and mix them in. This is the time for evening snack. Snacking smart in the evening is important. If you love tea or coffee, go ahead and have a cup, but skip the refined sugar. Green tea with a handful of nuts is another great option. It keeps your energy level up. For your final meal, go for a light vegetable soup or you can have sauteed vegetables with paneer. Before bed, a cup of chamomile tea will help you to relax and ensure a good night's sleep while reducing stress. Throughout the day, make sure you drink 2 to 3 liters of water, about 6 to 8 glasses. Staying hydrated not only aids in weight loss but also helps flush out toxins from your body. By following this diet plan, you will be on your way to losing weight in no time. If you would like more weight loss diet plans, let me know in the comment below.